Hi guys, it's Phoebe and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to take you through an oven cleaning process. Actually, I have two processes that I use when cleaning an oven. That is the use of bicarbonate of soda and vinegar and also another product. But today I'm just going to show you how I use bicarbonate of soda and vinegar. And for the other product, I'm just going to show you how it looks like and also explain to you a little bit about it. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how our oven looks like. It's not that bad, right? But it's bad. It does need scrubbing. The three telltales that your oven might need cleaning are such as odor. If you notice a distinct smell whenever you fire up your oven. Another thing is smoke, because a clean oven never smolders. And the last one is its general appearance. If you see grease or grime spattered on the door, or even crust and residue on the bottom, then you should know that it's time for your oven to be cleaned up. The first thing that I'm going to do is to mix half cup of baking soda with a few tablespoons of water. But you can tweak the ratio until you have a spreadable paste. The goal here is to have a paste that you can easily spread all over the oven. After putting on protective gloves, it's now time to spread the paste around the inside of the oven. I'll be sure to cover the back and the sides, the top, the bottom, the door, not forgetting the corners and also the crevices. And for the electric oven, do not put paste on the heating element. And also for the gas oven, do not put paste where the gas comes through. By the way, I don't know if you've realized that in almost all of my videos, I like using baking soda and vinegar. This is because, one, they are easily available, like they are almost in every home. Another thing is they are non-expensive, and also they are a handy cleaning combo. Yeah, because they help break down stubborn stains. That's why I love using them so much. After covering each and every part, I'll close the door, then allow the paste to sit for like 3 to 4 hours. This is because my oven was not that dirty. But if your oven is dirtier, you can allow the paste to sit for like 10 to 12 hours or overnight if possible. In the meantime, I'll clean the oven racks by sprinkling baking soda and then pouring vinegar on top. This mixture will foam, and after the foaming stops, I'll use a damp towel to wipe all over it, and then later on use hot water to clean them up. Oh, I forgot to mention that I'll be using a disposable tissue first to wipe the racks before using the damp towel. And as you can see, the stains are coming off so easily. I tell you what vinegar can do is astonishing, and this is why I love using it so much. This is the damp towel that I'll be using. At this point, the grease, the grime, and all the stains have been removed. So I'm going to use hot water and the dishwashing soap plus a sponge to do the final cleaning. After cleaning the racks properly, I'll then use cold running water to make the final rinse and leave them to dry. So guys, as I told you before, that I'll be showing you the other product that I use to clean the oven. This is it, Blue Touch Oven Cleaner, and it removes grease so effectively, and also it produces an amazing shine. I also use it to clean the cooker top and the sink, and oh my goodness, this is liquid gold. It's exactly after 3 hours, so I'm going to wipe out the dried baking soda using a damp towel. After removing the dried baking soda, I'll spray vinegar in places where I still see baking soda residue. They will react and form. After that, I'll use the damp towel to clear it all up. As they are reacting and forming, I'll try and remove the glass so that I get to clean the inside of the dough. And then I'll do a final wipe down. I'll use the damp towel to wipe out the remaining foamy vinegar and baking soda mixture. I'll repeat the process until it is all clean and shiny. To dry the oven, I'll first of all use a kitchen towel and then later on use a microfiber cloth to wipe it all down until the oven is clean and shiny. At this point, I'm done cleaning. I'm just returning the glass, and as you can see, the aftermath of my cleaning, the oven is quite shiny, right? I know a number of people have always wondered like how often an oven should be cleaned. I've also been asking the same, but it's recommended that the more you use it, the more you clean it. Like regular cleaning improves the quality of food that you cook in it. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and to hit the notification button. Until next time, bye.